Okay.
Where's Boo Boo from?
I don't know. What you girls doing, you silly girls? What doing, you sillies? Where's the silly girls? Uh-oh. Oh, fall down. Sage, be nice. What are you guys doing? Hey. Why don't you quit? You gotta be nice. You only can do it if Addie wants to do it. You silly girls. You girls are crazy. You crazy girls. Addie's getting away. She said, get me away from this crazy child. Down you go. You silly girls. You silly girls.
Here we go.
You silly girls. You girls are silly. Sillies. Hey, Addie. Hi, Sage Marie. You give her hugs. Oh, that was nice. Oh, 3 hugs. That's very nice, girls. That's very nice.
I like this song.
You do.
I had that at home in the basement.
You
For
did.
my birthday, that one I have cherry bomb hot cakes because I have a tea. I have my pinata there, my crown one.
You did.
All of the kids get it, not me.
Addie and Sage. Whoa, girls. Hi, girls. Hi, sneaky girls. Look at Lauren in the background over there dancing herself. Ooh, dancers. You girls dancing? Yeah, dancing. You dancing? Mwah. 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 I see 2 pretty girls. Oh, Lauren's over there putting on a show for Aubrey in the stroller. And see Aubrey over here. She's watching the entertainment. Hi, Aubrey. Hi, Omni. Hi. Hi, pretty girl.